can hear the doves. I caught the squirrel on the bird cam digging the apples out of the little fruit container. So I didn't know if any of them would take the apples. Whoops. Wow. It's so noisy. It's cold out here. Oh, it's starting to rain again. And there you go. Where are you? There you are. Come on, I have peanuts. So no outdoor live today, I don't think. Which is fine. I have stuff to do. I only have 2 more weekends to get things done. Just throw these out here. Here, come get a peanut. I did make a bird cam short. I'm not sure which one, eating the apple, digging the apple out of the cam. So, make them work for their food.